Imagine a world where technology does the heavy lifting in your business. This isn't a dream. Onpassive is here to revolutionize the way you work, making your business operations smoother and more efficient. It offers powerful tools to change your marketing strategies, providing you with insights and analytics that were once out of reach. Onpassive helps businesses of all sizes, from startups to established enterprises, to streamline their processes and achieve their goals. It is especially helpful for small businesses, giving them the competitive edge they need to thrive in today's market. They often have limited time and resources, and Onpassive understands these challenges, offering solutions that save time and reduce stress. Onpassive makes marketing simple and easy for everyone, with user-friendly software that anyone can master. Get ready to experience a new dawn for your business, where innovation meets simplicity and success is within your grasp. Onpassive is here to guide you every step of the way, providing support and expertise to help you navigate the business landscape. It will help you achieve remarkable results, turning your business dreams into reality with proven strategies and cutting-edge technology. But before we get started on this video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.
In today's fast-paced world, automation is key. It's not just a trend, but a fundamental shift in how we operate. This is true for many parts of life, from managing our homes to organizing our schedules. It's especially true for business, where efficiency and productivity are paramount. Marketing automation can transform the way you work, allowing you to reach your audience more effectively and with less effort. Think about the tasks you do every day, from sending emails to managing social media. Many of these tasks can be automated, saving you countless hours and reducing the risk of human error. This frees up your time, allowing you to focus on strategic planning and creative thinking. You can then focus on what truly matters: growing your business, innovating, and staying ahead of the competition. Automation is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity in the modern business landscape. Onpassive provides the tools you need to thrive in the digital age, offering solutions that integrate seamlessly into your workflow. Embrace automation and unlock your business's full potential. The future is automated, and the future is now.
Onpassive offers a variety of tools. These tools work together seamlessly. They cover all aspects of your marketing. Need to build a website? Onpassive has you covered. Want to connect with customers on social media? Onpassive can do that too. From email marketing to lead generation, Onpassive is your one-stop solution. Each tool is designed to be user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to use them. Onpassive empowers you to achieve marketing success.
Section 4. Time is money. Onpassive saves both. Time is your most valuable asset. Onpassive understands this. In today's fast-paced world, every second counts, and managing your time efficiently can make all the difference. Its tools are designed to save you both time and money. By automating routine tasks, Onpassive ensures that you can focus on what truly matters. Imagine no longer having to manually send emails or update social media. The frustration of handling these repetitive tasks can be overwhelming. Onpassive does it all for you. With its advanced automation systems, your emails and social media updates are handled seamlessly. This allows you to focus on other aspects of your business. You can dedicate more time to strategic planning and team collaboration. Onpassive's automated tools streamline your marketing efforts. From lead generation to customer engagement, everything is taken care of. This efficiency saves you money. By reducing the need for manual labor, you cut down on operational costs. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish. With Onpassive, not only do you save time and money, but you also achieve greater success and productivity.
Section 5. Success within reach. With Onpassive, success is within reach for every business owner. The tools are designed to empower you. They help you achieve your marketing goals. You don't need a large team or a big budget. Onpassive levels the playing field. It gives you the tools you need to compete. Take control of your marketing destiny. Onpassive is your key to unlocking remarkable results.
Section 6. Onpassive, your partner in growth. Onpassive is more than just a software provider. It's your partner in growth. The company is dedicated to your success. When you join Onpassive, you join a community. This community is full of like-minded individuals. They are all striving for success. Take the leap. Embrace the power of automation with Onpassive. You won't regret it. Your business will thank you. For more information about Onpassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have an awesome day.